Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Study Stash. Study Stash is an innovative AI-powered adaptive learning platform designed to significantly enhance your academic journey. It's built to help students like you improve their grades, boost confidence, and increase engagement with course materials. By offering personalized content and adaptive scheduling, Study Stash makes learning more efficient and effective, tailoring the experience to your unique needs. Accessing Study Stash usually happens through your educational institution. Many universities and colleges partner with Study Stash to provide this valuable resource to their students. The first step is to check with your academic department or student support services to see if your institution offers the platform. If they do, you'll likely find it integrated directly into your existing learning management system, making it easy to get started. Study Stash offers significant benefits for students. Users have reported improving their grades by up to 59% and increasing their confidence by 74% in managing their study workload. It transforms overwhelming course materials into personalized study assets, reducing stress and building confidence. The platform uses evidence-backed learning science to create adaptive learning experiences, helping you achieve content mastery and a deeper understanding of your subjects. To get the most out of Study Stash, engage with it regularly. Students who consistently use the platform, averaging over 3 hours per week, see the best results. Pay attention to the weekly insights provided, as these highlight concepts where you might be struggling, allowing for targeted support. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Make your study and life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.